How many cases of rhabdomyolysis are occurring in the United States each year? Well, if you've been looking into this for any length of time like I have, you've probably seen a statistic that says that there are 26,000 cases of rhabdo occurring in the United States annually. For example, here's that statistic mentioned in an article on rhabdo from the Today Show. Here's that same statistic mentioned in an article appearing on News Nation's website. Here it is again on the medical page called Medscape. Here's a medical report from 2016 where this statistic is mentioned too. The Stat Pearls website is actually a little less specific, saying that there's about 25,000 cases annually. This statistic is so commonly used that I've even seen it on websites for personal injury attorneys, and yes, even Wikipedia also says 26,000 cases a year as well. But is this really true? Well, let's first keep in mind that when someone says there are 26,000 cases annually, they're referring to rhabdo from all causes and not just exercise. Regardless, as far as I can tell, the very first time this statistic was used was in a report that was published in the year 2002 in the American Family Physician. Now, this article in the American Family Physician gets quoted quite often, so this begs the question, where did the author of the 2002 paper get the statistic of 26,000 cases of rhabdo each year? Well, if you look in the references of that paper, you can see that the author is citing data from the 1995 National Hospital Discharge Survey. So what this means is that medical professionals in the 21st century are actually citing data from the last century. So the question then becomes, how many cases of rhabdo are occurring in the United States in these modern times? Unfortunately, there appears to be no central database of rhabdo cases in the United States. Yes, the United States military is keeping tabs of rhabdo within their ranks, but there doesn't appear to be any United States government organization that is tracking rhabdo in the general population. So I wish I had better news for you, but it turns out that we don't appear to know how many total cases of rhabdo are occurring annually in the United States, and we likewise also do not know how many cases each year are caused by exercise.